Tadasana. Standing on your feet. Feet together. Back straight, chin parallel, arms relaxed. Hands on your knees. Knees together. Rotating knees 10 times. Each direction. After 10, one way. Switch directions. Finish the last 10. Stand up. Tadasana. Feet together, back straight, chin parallel, arms relaxed. Open your feet. Hands on your hips. Rotating hips 10 times, each direction. After 10, one way. Switch directions. Finish your final 10. Tadasana. Back straight. Shoulders relaxed. Open feet. Hands on hips. Knees extended. Feet straight. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing out, come forward. Come forward till parallel. Straight. Breathing in, come up. Tadasana. Arms parallel. Make small circles 25 times. Breathing into your nose, out your nose. After 25, switch directions. Always breathing into your nose and out your nose. Then, lower your arms. Tadasana. Catch your breath. Breathing into your nose and out your nose. Cross arm swings. 25 times. Crossing your arms in front. Breathing into your nose, out your nose. After 25, reverse the directions. Breathing into your nose, out your nose. Come out of it. Tadasana. Circling your head 10 times each way. Circling around the neck. Feel your neck throughout the exercise. Rotating 10 times one way. After 10, switch directions. Circling around the neck. Feel your neck throughout the exercise, rotating 10 times the other way. Slowly come out of it. Tadasana. Fingers together onto your shoulders. Turn elbows 25 times. Touching your elbows together. Keep breathing. Breathing into your nose and out your nose. Slowly come out of it. Tadasana. Catch your breath. Switching, fingers together, onto your shoulders. Turn elbows 25 times in opposite directions. Keeping the elbows together. After 25, come out of it. Tadasana. Arms extended in front of you. Open and close fingers 25 times. Extend and flex the fingers completely. Breathing into your nose and out your nose. After 25, come out of it. Tadasana. Catch your breath. Squat down. Squat down. Hug your knees. Rolling onto your back. Roll back. Dead leaf. Palms facing up. Close your eyes. Catch your breath. Breathing into your nose, out your nose. Open your eyes. Knees into your chest. Hold your knees. Legs at a 90-degree angle. Extend. Extend legs with firm legs. Knees straight, toes pointed in. Keep breathing into your nose, out your nose. Raising legs and buttocks. Place hands on buttocks. Hold legs for a 60-degree angle behind you. Breathing into your nose and out your nose. Keep your shoulders pinned onto the floor. Chin into throat. Holding. Maintain angle. Breathing into your nose and out your nose. Palms to floor. Hold. Lower your buttocks to the floor. Legs at a 90-degree angle. Extend. Extend legs with firm legs. Knees straight, toes pointed in. Keep breathing into your nose, out your nose. Knees into your chest, hold your knees. Dropping your heels to the floor, close to your buttocks. Hands on your hips. Feet together. Open your knees to your sides. Relax, catch your breath. Breathing into your nose and out your nose. Relax. Catch your breath. Dead leaf. Palms facing up. Close your eyes. Catch your breath. Pull your heels towards your buttocks, feet flat. Palms together, arms extended. Hands between your knees, shoulder blades up. Hold, breathing into your nose, out your nose. Breathing in, breathing out. Come down. Knees into your chest. Hold your knees. Drop your feet to the floor, close to the buttocks. Hips up. Hold your hips with your hands. Elbows under your back. Breathing in, breathing out. Come down. Knees into your chest. Dropping your heels to the floor, close to your buttocks. Hands on your hips. Feet together. Open your knees to your sides. Relax, catch your breath. Breathing into your nose and out your nose.